Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need to begin by signing into your Samsung account on the device you control. This ensures the change applies to the right profile. Once signed in, make sure two-factor prompts are reachable. Check your registered phone number or email. If you cannot access them, pause and recover access first. Otherwise, proceed. Open Settings, then Accounts, tap Samsung Account, and authenticate with your password. This starts the process of disabling two-step verification, and it prevents lockouts and unexpected security conflicts. Once in your Samsung account screen, navigate to My Samsung, then Security, and choose two-step verification. You will be asked to re-enter your password for security reasons. Do that, and then supply the current verification code from SMS or Authenticator. This proves you control the second factor. After verification, select Off and confirm the decision. The system will explain consequences. Make sure you read that, because turning it off reduces account protection, even though it simplifies sign-in. After you confirm disabling two-step verification, wait for the confirmation email or on-screen notice. This verifies the change propagated. Once done, sign out and sign back in to test that only password authentication is required. This confirms success. If you encounter errors or are blocked, use account recovery tools immediately because they guide you through identity checks. If recovery fails, contact Samsung support. They can assist with identity verification and re-enabling access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.